Welcome to Smart Leadership with Jennifer Zock. Have you ever heard the saying, you can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink? Well, why won't that horse drink? That's what I want to know. And I think the answer is intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation moves someone or something to act on its own accord, not because of external pressure or rewards, but because of inherent satisfaction. Intrinsic motivation is essential to accountability and wise and courageous leadership. There are 4 types of intrinsic motivation: creative motivation, competence motivation, learning and exploring motivation, and attitude motivation. Creative motivation is a compelling internal feeling. Creative people are motivated by expressing what's in their hearts and their minds. If you're leading a creative team, help them deliver their best by giving them space to use their creative license within agreed upon boundaries. A sense of competence is a wonderful self-motivator. People motivated by competence continuously look for ways to get better by challenging themselves. Keep these folks' cups full with meaningful projects that challenge them and keep them learning and growing. Learning and exploring motivation is similar to competence motivation in that those motivated by learning and exploring need to be challenged and given the space to learn and explore. These team members are at their best when they can bring new things to the table and offer fresh perspectives. They are your problem solvers and visionaries. People inclined towards intrinsic attitude motivation like to help people around them feel good. They are your team cheerleaders and customer advocates. Helping people to feel good brings them joy. Seek internal and external customer-facing opportunities to light these folks' fire. Emotions are contagious. Let these people do what they do best. Spread joy, and they will be motivated to do even more. Motivation is a two-way street. As leaders, we can't expect our team members to perform at the level we demand unless we do our best to support their means of motivation. Some horses will never drink from the trough, but most people will meet and even exceed performance goals if their intrinsic motivation is fueled. Know your people better than their job descriptions. Connect with them. Be curious about what they are motivated by and use that energy to accomplish great things.